Hey guys, so welcome back to YouTube Sisters. Happy New Year. I hope you all had a great 2015 and I hope you'll have a great 2016 as well. So this week's theme is 2016 week, so I'm going to be talking about some things that are happening this year, and yeah, that's it basically. So I have a lot of the things written down in this Sprinkles Glitter Diary. I'm trying to make my life a bit more organised, so I'm trying to write everything down in here basically, and it's also a nice thing to look back on at the end of the year to see what you did. So some of this stuff might just be things that is happening to me, but also some of it might be like relating to something that you might be interested in or that you might be doing, so yeah, let's have a look. Okay, so the first thing that is exciting is happening next Wednesday because PLL is starting again. I've been waiting. When did it finish? It was a while ago. Was it like August? Was it August? That was ages ago. It finished ages ago. And we've been waiting for months, and it's starting again this month, which is really exciting. And actually I've probably been watching it for about a year because I think I started watching it January last year, which is really cool. And I've kind of contemplated watching the whole thing again, but I think I'm going to hold off a bit and maybe wait a year or something until I do that, because it took me a long time to watch it and then I'm just going to rewatch it all. But yeah, I love PLL, so I'm excited to see the new season, although I was kind of disappointed with the A reveal, not gonna lie. So there's a few films coming out this year. So The Fifth Wave is coming out as a film, and I've actually just started reading the book. I'm like 100 and a bit pages in, so I'm gonna go see the film when I finish the book. I think that Allegiant is coming out this year, right? I think it is. I haven't actually read the whole of Allegiant yet, so I might have to do that soon. And also Let It Snow, the book I just finished reading, is being made into a film right in December, which I'm looking forward to because I really liked the book. Also, Finding Dory, the sequel to Finding Nemo, is coming out. Like, who else is excited for that? I love Finding Nemo, it's like my favourite Disney film, so I'm hoping that Finding Dory will live up to my expectations. Also, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them is being released, which is related to the Harry Potter franchise, so it will be kind of cool to see a new Harry Potter related film. I'm sure there's loads of cool books being released as well. I don't know if I know any, like, off the top of my head. Well, the third book to the Fifth Wave, like, series is being released, but obviously I've not even finished the first one, so I don't really know a lot about that. The second book to Illuminate is being released, which I'm excited for. I don't really know if I can think of anything else off the top of my head. Something I'm really scared for is the fact that I have my grade 2 piano exam soon, like in a couple of weeks. So I'm really scared for that, and yeah, I get so nervous for them. I only have one, but yeah, I hope that goes okay. So in February I'm going to see 21 Pilots, and I'm really excited for that because I haven't seen them live before and I feel like they'll be really good, so I'm excited to go see them. And also the 1975 are releasing their new album, which I'm also really excited for because I'll have been waiting for like over 2 years for it by the time it comes out, which is really annoying. But yeah, I'm excited to see what it's going to sound like. I've already heard like 6 of the songs because they released 2 of them and 4 of them have been played live, and by the time you're watching this, one of those that was played live will be released. So if you haven't listened to their new songs, you should listen to their old ones too. In March I'm going to see Little Mix, which I'm also really excited for because they'll be playing songs from their 3rd album. And then in April I'm going to see the Vamps, and they'll also be playing songs from their new album. So those are the concerts that I have lined up for this year so far. A few more albums coming out as well. I think Sia's releasing her new album actually this month, which is cool. Panic! At the Disco are releasing their album this month. I can't think of anyone else that's releasing an album. very soon, February the 17th actually, we'll have had this collab channel for 2 years, which is crazy. I'm so proud that we've kept it up for all this time, so that's a really cool thing. And also in July, at the end of July, I'll have had my current YouTube channel for 3 years, which is also really crazy. I don't know how long I've been making videos, but I'm pretty sure like I made my first like silly video when I was like 10 years old, like July of 2011 or something. So technically I've kind of had YouTube for like 5 years, and I've been watching it for ages, like over 5 years. I'm pretty sure I've been watching Charlie So Cool like for like 5 or 6 or something like that years, which is really weird. I was hoping this video would be really informative and sort of let you know what's happening this year, but to be honest it hasn't really, has it? Oh well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're excited for this year, because I'm sure you can think of a lot more things that are happening. So let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the collab channel, and I will see you next week. Bye!